Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your NVIDIA graphics card is not showing up in Device Manager on Windows. This problem usually happens when the driver isn't loading correctly, Windows hasn't detected the hardware properly, or power settings are preventing the GPU from appearing. Let's get straight into the fixes. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Once Device Manager is open, click on View in the top menu. Now select Show Hidden Devices. Next, click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. After doing this, expand Display Adapters and check if your NVIDIA graphics card now appears in the list. If it shows up, the issue should be resolved. Solution 2. If your GPU still isn't showing, close Device Manager. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand side, click Windows Update. Scroll down and select Advanced Options. Now scroll down again and click Optional Updates. If you see any driver updates related to your graphics card, install them. Once the updates finish installing, restart your computer and check Device Manager again. Solution 3. If the issue still isn't fixed, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, type the following command: bcdedit /pciexpress forcedisable. Press Enter. After running this command, restart your computer. Once Windows loads back up, open Device Manager and check Display Adapters again. Solution 4. If none of the previous solutions worked, the final fix is to reset your BIOS settings. Restart your computer and repeatedly press F2, Delete, or another key depending on your motherboard to enter the BIOS. Once inside the BIOS, look for an option to load default settings or restore defaults. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. After your system boots back into Windows, your NVIDIA graphics card should now appear correctly. And that's it.